Hi, I'm Marty, co-founder of Career Day, and I'm back, this time to talk to you about debit cards, credit cards, and credit for loans. Before we get started, you need to know a couple of facts. So just so you know, in today's world, credit is very important. Some employers even check applicants' credit scores to make sure they're financially responsible before they hire them. There are three major types of credit reporting agencies that all lenders use. They are TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, and every time you apply for a credit card or a loan, banks, companies, and credit unions will access your credit scores from these companies. They want to make sure that you're financially responsible. So I guess the question is, how do you start the process of becoming financially responsible? A good start is by creating a financial budget. A financial budget will act like a roadmap of what you need to do with your money. Do you know what your monthly expenses are by category? A great way to know this is by creating a spreadsheet, just like this one, with all the categories listed that apply to you. For instance, some categories are food, cleaning supplies, car loans, rent, electricity, gas, insurance, and so on. I'm sure that you have other things on your list that I didn't even mention. Let's start with a bank debit card. A bank debit card ties directly into your checking account. When using it, since it's your money, you don't have to pay it back. The advantage of using a debit card is that it will record all of your payments and can be viewed on your monthly bank statement. The perfect example is to add up how much you spent for food at the supermarket and compare it to your budget. This will give you a clear understanding of how much your food expense is on a monthly basis. You can then choose to increase or decrease your spending if it doesn't match your budget, or you can change your budget to be more realistic. Next type of credit is a credit card. Credit cards are supplied by banks, businesses, and credit unions. These companies check with the three national credit agencies we spoke about to determine if you qualify for a credit card and how much credit they're willing to extend you. Credit card companies charge high interest rates unless you pay the full amount you charged every month. By paying the charges off every month, you get a benefit. It'll keep your credit high, which is very important, and you won't have to worry about late fees. Last financial instrument I want to speak about is a loan. Loan should be considered as a benefit for large purchases such as education and property. The cost of these purchases are in the tens of thousands of dollars, but will have a long-term positive effect on your future. These loans will likely to be set up as long-term payments with a much lower interest rate than credit cards. Goal is to be able to manage your money so when your career is ended, you'll be financially independent. Thank you so much for listening to me.